Welcome to the Edison, part of our Smart Living collection. Come on inside. The Edison features a spacious family room, perfect for entertaining. We all know that the best memories are made around the table. This nook is perfect for gathering with family and friends. The kitchen is the heart of the home. It's got plenty of cabinet space, a large pantry, and it's easily accessible from the garage, which is perfect for when you're bringing in your groceries. As you can see, there's a lot of natural light in here, and we even offer an optional deck. Also on the first floor, we have a powder room and a flex room. Let's go check out upstairs. We're in the loft. We have it set up as a sitting room with a desk. I think it would be perfect for game night. You can set it up however you like. Let's go check out the owner's suite. This is my favorite room in the home. As you can see, it's incredibly roomy. You even have space to relax and read a book. The ensuite has a ton of different options. This one includes the double vanity with the ceramic tile shower. If you prefer a separate tub and shower, we can do that for you as well. The walk-in closet is extremely spacious. Let's go take a look at the rest of the home. On the second floor, you have your laundry room, which is very convenient. There are 2 bedrooms with a lot of natural light and large closets. You also have your full bath and a linen closet. Thank you for taking the tour with me. For more information, please visit HHHunthomes.com. Because at HHHunt, we believe it's how you live that matters.